Hi everyone, back again. We are talking about COVID-19. It is back and in the headlines once again, so let's talk about it. Jamaica is seeing a spike in cases with 176 reported in July 2024, and the numbers are climbing in August. The Ministry of Health is urging everyone to start wearing masks again and get vaccinated and just be overall extra careful. Just a quick question though, have you noticed more people wearing masks again and still most go without? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As it relates to the current situation in Jamaica, just when we thought we could start to relax or continue relaxing, because Jamaica is such an unserious place, COVID-19 is reminding us it's still out there. The Ministry of Health has issued a press release asking us to take precautions, wear masks in crowded places, and practice good hand hygiene. And most importantly, get vaccinated if you haven't already. With the cases on the rise, it's crucial to take these steps seriously. Let me go into the press release. So the government is urging Jamaicans to remain vigilant as its surveillance data shows high transmission of SARS-CoV-2 virus among the population. As I said, in July, the country recorded 176 COVID cases, a 16% increase in 152 recorded in June. The case distribution shows the parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew 25%, St. Catherine 18%, and St. James 18% with the highest figures. At present, doses of the Pfizer vaccine are available to the population. Jamaicans traveling abroad are especially urged to be diligent in practicing these infection prevention protocols. 13 COVID deaths have been reported since the start of 2024. So I have a quick question, right? So, given all of this, and given the fact that Jamaica has been COVID-free, not COVID-free, but you know what I'm saying, right? Do you think that you'll be going back to wearing masks given all this information? It was traumatic to say the least. Now we're seeing where they're telling us to practice proper prevention measures because you see where the cases are rising. There's going to be for and against. There's going to be wear mask, not wear mask. It's just reality. So we just have to make sure that we take care of ourselves and our family. Then we ask about those who are traveling. Now, there is something that we should have on our radar where Jamaicans are returning home from abroad, especially like Paris, the Olympics, could bring the virus with them. The World Health Organization recently reported that at least 40 athletes from the Paris Olympics test positive for COVID-19 and other respiratory illnesses, and this is literally a wake-up call. So if you know anybody coming back from overseas, please remind them to get tested and follow the prevention protocols. If you're traveling and you know somebody who is, do you think that they will take the steps? Do you think that in light of the persons coming back with a spike? Let me know in the comments. And then let's talk about the global perspective. It's not just Jamaica facing this challenge. Around the world, vaccination rates are dropping and cases are going up. The World Health Organization is sounding an alarm for COVID-19. It is still out there and we need to be prepared. Whether it's here or abroad, the message is still clear. Stay alert and ensure that you practice the proper prevention protocols. It's serious, guys. You see in the cases, you see in the amount of deaths, you see the amount of reports, and it's serious. We don't want it to get back to what it was, and then we hear that the whole place locked down again. I was traumatized, and I don't want that to happen again. So what can we do to prepare ourselves, and what can we do to stay protected? Mask up. Obviously, you have to wear your mask, especially in crowded or enclosed spaces. This is not our first rodeo, so we know exactly what to do. But in case you just want a little reminder, refresher course, get tested. Obviously, get tested because you might not know what is happening, especially if you're traveling or coming back to Jamaica or going anywhere. You just get tested to make sure that you know for sure that you are COVID free. You also want to get vaccinated. If you are a vaccinated person, then you might want to see where you can top up. You might want to get vaccinated in case anything could possibly help you make the severity of the virus, if you get it, not as severe. I'm not forcing you to get vaccinated. I am not doing that, but it is encouraged by our government and encouraged by the World Health Organization. So if that's for you, then also, you want to stay informed, keep up with the latest advice from the Ministry of Health in Jamaica and the World Health Organization, because they will keep you updated and ensure that you get all the information that you need going forward. The last question, guys, what are you most concerned about with the recent rise in cases? I would love you to share the thoughts down below, and let's support each other during this time and just keep informed. If you found this video helpful, hit a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, because your girl got you when it comes to all things travel to Jamaica. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye.